Alright, so giving you guys an idea of how I am doing my custom tapered wigs. They're on my website now, and so what I do is I order them from AliExpress because there's a particular texture that I want, as far as the curly texture that I want, in order to style the wig the way that I want to. So this is actually an 8-inch, and it makes it a lot easier because all I have to do is just pretty much taper it. This texture is just, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful texture. So this is how I'm going to show you how I style these wigs. So it already has the style that I'm looking for as far as the front is concerned, but I have to taper the rest of this. So that's what I'm going to do, is show you how I do this. So this is what my custom wigs are going to be like, just for the taper cuts. I am starting to do a little bit more styles as far as that is concerned, but give me some time. Got a lot going on here. So yes, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut this. So before we get started, did you know that I am offering wig making master courses? The next live webinar is April 29th. All you have to do is go to this site, go to enroll and register for a particular webinar, or for full access for $275 or $469 a month. Limited spots are available for single webinar courses. You can also purchase wig making tools on the site under the shop tools as well. So let's get into the styling portion of this video. It is fairly simple and easy. I do make sure that I can separate the top from the bottom. I also separate left and right ear, and I focus on the back first. The idea is to get what we call a tapered cut, and the tapered cut is where it's shorter near the neckline and it gets a little bit longer and seems more like a V shape as you get higher up into the wig. So you're just seeing me cutting, very simple, not using any type of razor blade or anything, but cutting blunt cuts so that it keeps the, well, when you cut wigs that are curly and blunt cuts, it keeps the curl, it makes the curl look better instead of using what we call a razor blade. And I'll show you guys that, because I am going to eventually start to use one in the front of the wig. But you do want to just cut in a blunt cut. If you have a curly wig and you want to transition it into a taper cut style, cut everything blunt. Now you see me using what is called a razor comb, and that is really just to use to thin out and kind of give a little bit more shape to the front, but never use it to actually layer or create a tapered cut for a curly wig. So depending on my client's expectations or what they want as far as the style, they may order a style that requires me having to make the wig custom because they are looking for a particular color. And that may mean that I need to make color changes to the hair, or I may have to purchase hair in that particular color. So if you are looking for more of a custom color wig and a custom style, I will be contacting you personally about your style and making sure you guys get to see your wig before it's shipped out to you. That's just a part of my extra service that I do. So anytime that you order a wig that you want to be customized or not customized, I do text you and send you pictures and make sure I get affirmation that it's what you want, it's cut to the shape that you want, and it fits for you, and then I ship it out to you. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you check out Beautycutright.com for new custom wig styles. Most of the styles are starting under $100. I'll make sure that they are linked down below in the description box. You also want to make sure that you check out wigmaking101.com for wig making master courses. Subscribe to both sites for more updates and information, and I will see you guys in the next video.